as you can see, the large daddy longleg spider crawls up the tree. Oh, and then he goes into hiding. This tree is called the Defender Pine Tree, where it bats off all its defenders with its little pinies. Pine. On the base of this great African tree comes the African Norwegian silicone mushrooms. Look at those are beauty. Those grow in the wildlife of Azerbaijan and local to many locals. They can eat them, drink from them, many uses for this plant. Here is one of the African Norwegian USB cables that are famous in these parts of the many healed woods. You can do many things like upload videos to your local tree branch, or maybe download some Spotify on those trees over there. Anyway, good times to be had in the jungle. And right here, lads, we got the work of an African spider. He's not here, but you can clearly see he's got his prey, and he's ready. He's ready to do some eating, and he's probably somewhere around these woods. You don't know where he might be, but you know he's hungry and he's ready to feed. Here we have the African toadback frog, and you can see by its stripes on its back, it's ready to hop. Just look at you, buddy. You are going to be a big one one day. You came from dinosaurs. Yeah, smile for the camera. Now go back to your habitat, little buddy. And that's what we call a frog, or toad. Here in the natural African wildlife, you can see that this tree has a butthole.